Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dani, and for today's video, in honor of all the vacations I'm going to be taking this year, I'm going to do an accessories haul. This is part one. The other order is coming. It's not here. And I couldn't wait to show you guys what I got. We're going to be doing purses, shoes, sunglasses, and earrings. And like jewelry, other jewelry like bracelets and stuff like that. The way I look at traveling is when I pack, I have this mentality that I have to be okay with losing my suitcase, and I don't want to have any attachment to anything that's in there. So everything is from Shein. I'm going to list all the products in the description box below with their SKU. So the links won't fit, so I'll just do their SKUs alone. When I do shop, I always think about when I come back home, can I still wear these on a day-to-day basis? Yeah, let's dive into it. We're gonna start off strong with heels. For like my flats and the basic flip-flops and stuff like that, I already have those. Might bring my Michael Kors flip-flops if we're going for like a casual dinner, and some basic flip-flops from Old Navy. That's normal, that's fine. So this haul is gonna be heels only. These, I've been eyeing these for so long. I know I can wear them to brunch back at home when it's brunch season. Can you just punch me in my face right now? Like, look at this. So these are the first pair. They're so stinking cute. These are extremely comfortable. They have like this padding in them. I usually add extra padding, and then I add like this slip. I have a sticker that is like a slip sticker that I add on the bottom to all of my shoes. I bought that off Shein. I can put that down below for you as well, because I noticed like you slide on certain surfaces. So I got the grip. It's like a grip sticker on the bottom. But this is the first heel. She is everything. You can wear these with jeans for brunch if you're doing brunch back at home. But yeah, with a sexy, nice brown slit dress and some gold accessories. So these ones, these are the ones that I was dying for. Okay, so these are number two. We have these babies. The heel's a little bit higher, but it's okay. It's very comfy. I tried them on. You can wear these with anything white or black. If you're wearing like a bodycon black dress, this is very sexy. This is definitely dinner. You're getting all dressed up. I would wear silver accessories with this. This doesn't have padding in it. Again, I add the extra pad, and then I add a slip grip thing on the bottom there. The only issue that I have is that I tend to slide. So I bought like another grip thing to put back here so they don't slide off. Or you can hairspray them, kind of glue them onto the back of your foot. Now these, I've already worn these, but they'd be perfect for vacation, beach vibes, summer vibes. These pretty babies, you can wear these to dinner as well, or to breakfast if you're feeling to dress up for breakfast. That's perfectly fine. Remember I was telling you about the grippy things? These. So I put these at the bottom of all of my shoes so it has grip when I'm walking. We ain't gonna be ice skating on vacation. So these ones, really cute. I love how thick this band is, and these are very comfortable compared to the regular flip-flop heels. And it is a kiddie heel as well. You still have that little dip. If you have curved feet, it's still very sexy and comfortable. So there are these ones. For the last pair of heels, very casual. So there are these ones. Square toe, very comfortable. You can wear these anywhere. This is a universal shoe. I don't even need to tell you where you can wear these. I did get a bigger size. They run small, so I went up a half size, and this fits me perfect. I didn't put the stickers on. I usually put them on when I'm ready to go. So I'll make sure to put those on. But these ones are cute, classy, basic. You can wear these anywhere. I basically got them because of the pattern that they have on the sandal part here. So yeah, very cute. That's the last heel for vacation. We're gonna do purses now. Again, you want to be okay with losing these things. I'm gonna do from, it's not least favorite. I love them all, but I'm gonna do like from 1 to 4. How many purses do I have? 3. I'm gonna do from 1 to 3. So this is my excursion purse. I dressed her up a little bit. I got a pom-pom. I got a cherry. Everything here is from Shein. Then I got my initials, DS. Really cute. I like that I can hold it like this, and then it's a crossbody. You know your girl does not do anything but crossbody. It has this little clip on it, and I love that they have gold hardware because I will be wearing a lot of gold jewelry on my vacation. Very spacious purse. Fun fact, now that we're here, in every single purse that I own, I stock it with the fundamentals. The only thing that's different in them is my wallet. So I believe there's one purse that I'm currently using that has it in here, and I'll show you. But let me show you what my fundamentals are for stocking my purse. Every time I get a new purse, this is what I put in it. I have gum, I have my small goods, so my perfumes and my perfume oil. Now, I also bought this off of Shein. I filled them up already. These little perfume bottles. Instead of bringing your whole perfume with you, get these and fill them up with your perfume. And if you have multiple purses, put 3 of them in each purse. You won't use this whole thing on your vacation, I promise you, unless you spend $50. So yeah, and I will have some type of lip gloss lip treatment. So I have the e.l.f. lip oil. This is brand new, has not been used. And then the She Glam lip plumping lip gloss, I think. Yes, everything you see here is in every purse. I just pick up the purse and put my wallet in it. That's it. That's what we have in here. This is my excursion purse. For the next one, it's my favorite for vacation. It is not number 1 on this ranking, so it's technically number 2. So I'm gonna leave it at this spot as a favorite. Isn't she like, hello? This is number 2. She is so pretty. She's very slim, very small, nothing really can hold in here. I did dress her up with a pom-pom. This is for my headphones. And then this cute little cheetah, turn around, this cute little furry cheetah purse. This is a crossbody bag as well. It's just screaming vacation anyways, so like, excuse me. This is what she looks like inside. Like I said, the fundamentals or my staples are in every purse. And then you put the zipper in the middle, I think, yeah. And then she just looks like that. She's just so yummy. And that's her. So cute. This is my number 1 for vacation. So this purse is my absolute favorite. I'm currently wearing it as my everyday purse right now. It is topping my name brand purses. This purse is going to be my airport purse, and also if we're going for like dinner or something and I'm wearing all black. On camera, it's not doing it justice. I put my little accessories. I got a black pom-pom for it. These are for my headphones when I'm in the airport. And then I put like a little black teddy bear on it. And then just to break up the black and silver, I put like this little silver dog with like a pink, hint of pink on it. Because we're a girly girl. So this is my favorite bag that I'm currently wearing right now. As always, my staples are in it. The only thing different is my wallet and my headphones are the only difference in the other 2 purses. That's it for my purses. So I forgot that I actually have more purses. I have 3 more. No particular order. I just remembered that I had them, so I'm just going to show you them. This cute little girl. Really, really cute. There's nothing in here because I completely forgot I had them. She is a crossbody bag as well. Then I have this one. It looks like a washroom bag, but it's not. Very cute. I guess it can opt as or like a makeup bag. I'm gonna show you what it looks like inside. So it's really big inside. That contrast is really nice. I'm gonna stock these ones too. I completely forgot about them. So those are the purses. Yeah, those are the purses. I'm gonna save the best for last. I think sunglasses, because I have not tried them on yet and I want to be blown away with you. So we're gonna leave those for last. Let's do jewelry. So I don't really have a lot of jewelry. Everything is gold. I think I'm going to do a gold vibe. So these are the bangles that I'm going to wear. And this one's really cute. They're all different. And then this one's just like a open one. Earrings are really my thing. I'm not really a bangles girl, but if I am wearing something that requires them, I have them. This was a highlight of my accessory haul. See? A name chain. I have it in silver as well, but very cute. And I've had this for a while and it hasn't rust or anything. So there's this one. These earrings. I don't want to take off mine because my ears get red when I keep changing the earrings. Then I have these seashell ones. We should get them properly. Hold on. Okay, we're going to try some on. Not all of them because my earlobes will turn red. Okay, the first one that we have are these giant seashells. Love these. Yeah. These ones. There's this sun. I'm going to put them in one ear instead of doing both ears. You can't really see them too well because of the light, but they're these ones. You can see them that well. Hold on. They're these ones. These ones are actually really nice. This is what they look like off. Next pair are these. These ones. These tiny little seashells. My earlobe's getting red as hell. These little seashells. The ones that I just showed you, I actually wore these in another video. Those ones. Like off, I just showed you them. These are the ones I'm really excited for. Oh. We're gonna leave these ones on. Should we leave these ones on? Yeah. Oh. Hello? Yeah. That's the one. And then these little starfish earrings. Little studs. Lastly, some bracelets. I have this gold one. It kind of looks like a Pandora bracelet. I'm not really a Pandora bracelet kind of girl, but I guess I want this basically for the trip. And then I also have a silver version to it. These ones, it's like a white stone inside. You can't really see it that well. I was wearing this earlier. I bought 2 of these. And then lastly, the gold one to the silver one. I also bought anklets to these 2. So we saved the best for last. Sunglasses. So I got 6 pairs of sunglasses. Here is number 1. Loving her. Anything brown looks really good on my complexion. Sunglasses number 2. There's these ones. I did a good job picking these sunglasses. Sunglasses number 4. Anything brown, like I said, looks really good on me. Those are sunglasses number 3. Sunglasses number 3. Loving the ombre at the bottom. These are sunglasses number 4. These remind me of sunglasses my dad had when we were growing up. So they're giving very 90s. Sunglasses number 5. This is a pink version to the brown ones that I just put on. I keep saying they're all my favorites, but like, yeah. I think the last ones are my favorite. I said all of them are my favorite, but the last ones might be the ones. I think I'm going to be wearing this for the majority of my vacations. There you go. And that is the last pair of the sunglasses. I did a grandiose job picking these sunglasses. That was part 1 of my accessories haul. I don't remember what is in the other half of this order, but when it comes, we will do a part 2. Everything. I'm so excited for vacation. I think I'm going to bring you guys with me. I didn't know if I was gonna, but I think I am. Because I still have to do how I reapply my sunscreen over makeup. I'm going to do that on my first vacation that I go on. I'm bringing you guys with me and do that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and saw some things that you like that you want to grab for your vacation. As always, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Always remember, when you are shopping for your vacations, think I may lose my suitcase or someone may steal my stuff. It's such a horrible way to think, but it prevents you from being so attached to the products that you bought. And what place best to buy it than on Shein, because everything is like $1 on there. I love and appreciate every single one of you, and I can't wait to see you in my next video.